To add a subproduct, first go to the column on the left-hand side, and make your way down to Products. Then go to Subproducts. From the Subproducts page, press the big green Add a new subproduct button. First thing to do here is to choose a supplier. The supplier code is how your supplier labels the product. The internal code is how you label that same product. Next, pick a group, and then write a small description about your product. Be as detailed or as vague as you would like. Cost price and retail price can be set by keyboard, or by the little arrows on the side. Stock levels are changed in the same way, but must be whole numbers. Once you've finished, press Submit. Here we can see some of the information you put into your subproduct. And on the far end is a button, which allows you to choose between editing, cloning, and deleting your subproduct.